In this video, we will learn about Shopify Pagination, how we can add the pagination at Shopify collection page. Right now, if you see, we have many products at Shopify collection page. So let's go to the code and open main-collection-product-grid.liquid file in the DOM theme. Type paginate collection.products by, let's say, 8 products. How many products you would like to display? I would like to display 8 products per page. And paginate. Now we need to add a condition. If paginate.pages greater than 1, then I would like to display this file. Render pagination. This is the file of DOM theme, and we need to pass the object of pagination, paginate. So save that and reload the page. Now you see we have 8 products, and at the end we have pagination. So you can go to the second page. Now next 8 products will display. Now go back again in the page 1 and let's try to change 12 products and reload the page. Now we have 12 products per page. So how we can give the ability to merchants so they can control this from the backend. So let's query some schema. We type schema and the name of the section product grid, and in the setting we need to define an object. Type page comma ID products per page, comma min value 8 products, max product should be 48, steps should be odd and default 8 products, and label would be products per page. Save that, and we need to change this hard-coded value with this setting section dot settings dot products per page. Save that and go to the themes and click on the customizer. And then go to the collection page, default collection. You will see collection product grid here. Right now we have 8 products per page, and let's try to change that to 12 products. Now we have 12 products, and if I change to 20 products, now you will see we have 20 products on one page, and you can change that to 28. Now we have 28 products, and let's change it back to 12 products. Save that and reload the page, and you will see 10 products per page. So this is how you can add pagination in your Shopify DOM thing.